In this video, you'll learn how to add codes in Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create a code block and customize it according to your needs. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage with options to sign in or create an account. If you are not signed in yet, locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen, click on it, and a prompt will appear requesting your email and passwords. Enter your credentials to access your Notion workspace. After signing in, look for the option to add a new page. This is typically found in the sidebar on the left. Click on the plus new page button to create a blank page where you can add your code. Once you've created a new page, click on the blank space within the page. This action activates the page for editing, allowing you to enter commands and content. Next, type in /code to initiate the process of adding a code block. As you type, a drop-down menu will appear displaying various options related to code blocks. From the drop-down, click on code. This will insert a code block into your page. You can recognize the code block by its distinctive formatting, which will allow you to enter. Now, click inside the code block that has been created. You will see a cursor blinking, indicating that you can start typing your code. Type in the code you want to include. For instance, if you want to write JavaScript, begin by typing your JavaScript code directly into the block. After entering your code, you will notice a language selector at the top of the code block. Click on JavaScript to access the drop-down menu, which allows you to change the programming language. Select Arduino from the list to switch the code block's language setting. This change will provide syntax highlighting specific to Arduino code, making it easier to read and understand. Now, with the code block set to Arduino language, click on the blank space outside the code block. This action will finalize the insertion of your code into the Notion page, allowing you to continue editing or adding more content as needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.